I'm Andrew Ormrod. I'm the Technical Manager for ClearVC Communications. Pemberton had a really tight deadline for this one. They wanted to be out of their old office and into their new office with the delay of a weekend. So we worked with the principal contractor to do a first fix and to install the structured cabling and deinstall all the other equipment from the old site, move it into the new site, ready for Monday morning. We provided Pemberton with Yealink MVC video conferencing components. These consisted of the MVC 400, which is the small soundbar for the small rooms. The larger spaces we use the 860, which is the pan-tilt zoom camera, and then they have a collaboration space which they had a dual camera display accompanying with Yamaha microphones which they can position onto tables for training and Q&A. We also used a GoBright room booking solution. These were installed onto the Pro DVX panels, which we situated outside of each of the meeting rooms. So we chose to use the Yealink solutions because they're so versatile. Yealink do all their own peripherals, so it's a one-stop shop, and it all integrates into the Microsoft Teams environment for ease of use. So Pemberton didn't have a standardised kit. They had various solutions throughout their office space. We wanted to provide a ubiquitous experience for all users across all of the Pemberton estate, and that's why we went to the Yealink portfolio of products. So with all our solutions, when we finish our installation, our engineers provide a familiarisation session to make sure users are able to make calls and to use the system in general. These are then followed up by in-depth training sessions done remotely or on site, where we go through all of the feature sets for the products, make sure everyone's comfortable and able to make calls and use it.